Miss out on the Bitcoin bubble? Don't miss out on Pi. Pi is a great way to experiment with mining cryptocurrencies. The best part is, you can mine right from your smartphone for free. And here's how. Follow the link provided in the comments down below. Copy and paste if you have to. Download the mobile app from any smartphone and start mining today. Don't forget to use your invitation code HAILPDR, HAILPDR, after installing the app, and become part of the CoinRush team today. After joining the team, don't forget to say hi in the chat. Pi is entering its final stages. Do not miss out on this free opportunity. Mining Pi is as simple as downloading the app, join the CoinRush team, activate the app every 24 hours to continue mining. Pi does not use any significant battery power or data usage. Have fun with the app, check out the features, and become part of the conversation. You'll be happy you did, and we're happy to have you. But wait, there's more! For following the link and joining the CoinRush team, I'm sending you 1 Pi to get you started. The fun begins now, and congratulations on becoming a crypto miner. See you on the next video on how to build a mining team of your very own.